Marketing. Marketing refers to activities a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of a product or service. It includes advertising, selling, and delivering products to consumers or other business. You gotta be great at marketing. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business. Coca-Cola, McDonald's, they've been in business a long time. They still advertise. Why? Because they know when you get hungry, that they want to be top of mind because there's a lot of other places that you can go. And McDonald's don't even say they don't even sell the best hamburger. But people still go there. They sell billions of hamburgers every year. And that's the thing with marketing, that we got to be great at marketing as well. And that's the thing that we're talking more on the active side with being an active investor, starting a flipping business, actively marketing to find your own deals. But if you're someone that has a high-level skill set, you're doing great at your W-2 job, you don't have a lot of time to do a lot of this stuff. But now you need to understand, how do I underwrite a deal? How do I assess a deal when I partner with somebody that has time, that's going to be managing the deals, and I'm investing my money into them, investing my money into this deal? I got to know how to understand, hey, is this deal right? Is the numbers going to work? Is what they're talking about making sense? And so that's where that information is coming in. So understanding as we go through, we talk a lot today about active skill sets to do, but a lot of this you need to know as a passive investor as well too, whereas that you're informed, that you can make competent decisions, and you align yourself with the right people, and then understand like, hey, well, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix this house up for $20,000. Like, nah, man, it's gonna cost $50,000 to fix that. There's no way you're gonna get in there and fix it up for $20,000, because then you get into the deal like, oh, we're over budget by $30,000. It's like, well, you were doomed before because you should have known up front that it was gonna cost this amount. And so that's where just the education piece comes in there with that. But